The balance sheet. A balance sheet provides a summary of income and expenses at one point in time, such as the last day of the month or the last day of the year. In this video, we're going to look at a sample balance sheet and find specific values within the balance sheet. The balance sheet shown below shows the financial status of Tim's Auto Repair Shop as of December 31st. Complete the balance sheet to answer questions 9 through 11. So here you'll notice we have a balance sheet, and the balance sheet is broken up into two main components. We have assets, which are comprised of current assets and plant assets, and then we have liabilities, which is comprised of current liabilities and other liabilities. Then we have a small section at the bottom of the balance sheet, which is owner's equity, and that tells us the net worth of the business. We're going to find the total assets, the total liabilities, and then owner's equity. First, we'll find the total assets. Now, total assets is found by finding the total of the current assets, then finding the total of the plant assets, and adding those two values together to get the complete total of all assets. So total current assets is found by adding $28,300 plus $18,670 plus $9,200. When we add all of those values together, we get total current assets of $56,170. Next, we're going to look at plant assets, and we want to find the total of plant assets. To do that, we'll add $22,080 plus $14,480 plus $18,650. When we add these values together, we get total plant assets of $55,210. Now we're going to take the two values we just found and add them together. That will give us the value of total assets. So $56,170 plus $55,210 gives us a value of $111,380. And again, this is total of all assets. That's your current assets and your plant assets. What is the amount of total liabilities? So this is similar. Remember, liabilities are the debts that the company or the business owes. Current liabilities are short-term, and then we have long-term liabilities. So to find the total of all liabilities, we're going to add the current liabilities together to get a total. So $12,000 plus $20,430 gives us $32,430. So total current liabilities is $32,430. Now we'll find the total long-term liabilities. And we'll do that by adding $4,300 plus $14,000. And we get that the total long-term liabilities is $18,300. Now we want to find total liabilities, which is the last line on the screen. And we find that by taking the current liabilities and adding it to the total of long-term liabilities. So we'll take $32,430 plus $18,300. When we add those two values together, we get $50,730. And that is the total of all liabilities. To complete the balance sheet, we want to find the amount of owner's equity. And owner's equity is the net worth, and it's found by taking the total assets and subtracting the total liabilities. So we already found total assets and total liabilities. Total assets was $111,380. Total liabilities was $50,730. When we subtract these two values, we get an answer of $60,650. So our owner's equity is $60,650.